What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter 2T's. You know I'm back with another informative video, and today we'll be doing an unboxing. I haven't seen many videos on YouTube, if any, of them unboxing cords for your high def, ultra def TVs. I'm pretty sure they're out there. Maybe I probably didn't put it in right. I'm pretty sure there's millions of unboxings. Which ones are the best? Well, I want to give a shout out in this video just to begin with. My boy Scorpio, give him a big thumbs up. Hopefully he comes to this video and sees this video of me doing this. I'm going to tell you guys the price point, the size, and why I chose this particular HDMI right from the get-go. Why? One, the price, $31 at Best Buy. This is the best bang for your buck on the market that you're going to find. Now, there isn't many plugs that have not only the 2.1, but there isn't many plugs that do the 8 to 10K. Now, the ones that do, if you go in any store, you're going to find out it's going to be a little selection of what they have to offer. I chose this one because my PlayStation 4 Pro sits literally behind my TV. I don't really, most of my games are digital, so I don't need to put CDs in and out of it. So for me, this 2.5-inch cord works for me. If you do the same setup as me, this is the size cord you need. If you don't get this size cord, you can go to 4 foot and you'll pay probably $40, $40-something. Right now, it's a $9 discount at Best Buy. And the date for this, because I know people probably going to view this 5,000 or 10,000 views on this review, and I know people are going to want to know when I bought this in the model. It is the year 2020. And the date of this video of me doing this unboxing is, what's the day? 10, 20...
22nd?
No.
23rd?
No. It's like the 20th. Yes. Yes.
Something like
I think that, no. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. It's the 20th. It's somewhere in there. Because it's not the last week of October yet. This is the last week. This is the third to the last weekend of October. So y'all can figure out the date on that one, because my brain is fried right now. But as you can see, it's by Ocean 48. You can see it's the blue cord. I'll get close. That way you can see all the stuff it has. If you want to take and you want to pause the video to see all the readings that it has. I know a lot of people do not show that in their channel, man. And it's so irritating. So I want to make sure that I show you so that you can read it for yourself, even though I'm going to be talking about it and doing the unboxing. So what it has is the new eARC conductor. It has the long grain copper. That's what makes this stand alone from the other cords that are like it. It also does 8 and 10K, of course, for regular 4K. The HDMI is a 2.1 cord, and it's got superior materials, superior design, superior experience. What do you think? Audio Quest is the people who are a part of this Ocean 48s. You can see 8 to 10K. So this will be for any level of TV I get from here on out. I did get a new TV. That'll be a whole new video. You guys make sure that you stay tuned to see that on my channel soon. I'm so excited. That's why I have this bad boy right here for my new TV and my PlayStation 5 that I secured the bag on. But yeah, back to this. You can see on the side, it just shows the pretty much the information, 48-bit. And if you look around here, it's some connectors that go with it. But those connectors are not included in the box, it says. But those are some different ways that you can set the connectors up. And those are there because if you have some awkward areas that your TV is in, you can use these copper connectors, which is also a part of this 48 Ocean 48 bundle. This is the cheapest and the best quality one that you're going to find. If you're looking for a budget buy, this is it. Because the more you go in cord, the more it has to travel, and the more response time and all that has to equate, right? So doing math, the shorter the cord, the quicker it's going to get there. The longer the cord, just a couple more, milliseconds is going to take to get there. So, yeah, this is what you have. It's 2.5 foot. It's more than enough for what I need it for. Actually, this is going to be perfect for me because My TV's a 49-inch, and I sit my PlayStation on the very end of it. So if I, for some reason, do need to get to it, so plugging it in from there to the back of the TV is definitely less than 2.5 feet. So we're gonna open it up. I want to make this video any longer than it needs to be, and but I have learned with the algorithms that your video is awesome around 10 minutes. That's just a little advice for you guys who are starting to do YouTube or have already done YouTube and you may not just know. There's people that get millions of views on their channel and they wish they had did 10 minutes. So it'll come basically like this. It's no information. It's pretty much self-explanatory. It'll come with just these little twisty ties that most people use for their bread. So they're two little black ones basically, and then the ends will come in these little packaging. I guess that's just for extra, you know, just for extra coverage. And it'll come with one in the middle. I know some people like seeing this stuff for the unboxing. I did an unboxing for my brand new TV that I got. I won't just tell you what TV it is because I want you to watch the video and see it, but that's more than enough cord. I'll plug one into the TV and the other one, I'll just pull my PlayStation 4 Pro down where it'll just connect into this and I'll be all good to go. Like I said, I do all, you can see what it says up there. It's pretty much the same thing on both sides. Sweet cord. You can definitely tell it's a sweet cord. That's it for the video, man. There's the unboxing of it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that I gave you all the stats that you would need. 48-bit, meaning it's 4 times 12, which equals the 48. Lifetime warranty, $31. $9 off right now at Best Buy. That's the best sale you're going to get. I know I've done some videos in the past and they were review videos and everybody has something good to say but one guy who decided to write me an essay saying I didn't tell him what the book back. Anyway, but I just want to make sure you guys knew. I'm learning from other people who are getting frustrated on my channel and using it for positive. So I just want to make sure you guys know I got it from Best Buy, $31. Lifetime warranty, 48-bit. It'll work for any of your 8 or 10K TVs or down. Anything from there down, it'll work for. So I did 2.5 because it's most suitable for me. You guys could probably run a 4-foot cable or a 6-foot cable, and most people normally run 6-foot cable. So that's all I have for this video. I hate to really even ask you how many minutes we're at, Sierra, but I just wanted to know.
8.
8 minutes. So now, the reason why my friend told me, my daughter has my phone so I can't look at the messages, but my friend was telling me you get a better, you basically get better performance even with the one that's 48-bit than the one that's 24-bit, half of this, with some of the things that you watch on TV and gaming. Even if you're not able to get the 8K, this will still be better to have it than to not have it. I understand what he's trying to say. So shout out to Scorpio once again for helping me with this review. And this is a level 1 direction controlled. And yeah, man, it says only at Best Buy. I just noticed that up here in the corner, it says only at Best Buy. So if you're wanting the Quantum, this Ocean 48, you're going to have to get this